Okay, so to speed the learning process up, I'm going to be showing you a few basic things you should know on InDesign, which is how to add text, how to add an image, and how to add an object or a shape, and how to change the color of that text and object. I will also be showing you one important trick, or it's actually more of a suggestion, which helps you like speed up and use the shortcuts for the tools. So basically, yeah, so let's go ahead. So now I'm going to be using the rectangle frame tool, which is right over here. um I know the shortcut, it's F, so I hit F, and let's say I want to add text to this part of the page. So I just make a small rectangle. Okay, so now yeah, so I've just typed out hey, welcome to this tutorial. So now to add text to this frame, you need to hit T. Okay, now T is the shortcut for the type tool, which is right over here. So now I want you to double click the frame. So now you see a cursor inside. So to add text, you just type out everything. I've just copy pasted some stuff, which is basically, hey, welcome to this tutorial. Uh, yeah, so this is how you add text to the page. Now you might notice that sometimes like it's a long article, right? And whatever text you've put inside over here is not like sufficient enough. It's not showing the entire article. So in that case, when you copy paste it all, you will see a tiny plus sign over here. So now to move this tiny plus sign, what you're going to have to do is basically click outside once. I will tell you why we click outside. That's a very important thing to do. So click outside and press V. So now once you press V, you've selected the selection tool, which is right up here. And now you press it once, and then you see this floating text over here. So this is actually a prompt for you to draw a box. So let's say I want to just add the text over here. And whatever text was over there, which was overflowing in that text box, comes to this one. And okay, now I'm going to show you why we click outside. Okay, so let's say you're pressed inside. Okay, and now like now I want to use the selection tool, which is this one. Now if I wanted to change to the selection tool, um I would press V for the shortcut. But what happens when I press V is that it just adds a letter, because right now it's in the cursor mode, which means that whatever you type comes inside the text box. So that's exactly why we click outside once, right? We click outside and then we press V. So now it is the selection tool, which helps us move any frame. So that's what selection tool's for. It's to move frames like this. Yeah, so that's how you add text.